when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with the chef dice. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma and my app and I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. Just roll a dice and with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again. It's Good Kitchen. So we have a tri-tip roast right here. Already soaked it in some vinegar, white vinegar and water. Pat it dry. So now we're about to go ahead and poke a couple holes in here. Take our little skewer sticks and just poke holes in them. We'll poke holes in this roast. You can use a knife, a poker or something like that, or whatever you feel like using. But right now I'm gonna use these little things right here. These little skewers. So I'm gonna go ahead and poke these little holes in them. Just like this here on both sides. And then we're gonna make a little marinade sauce. And we're gonna let it marinate for about 45 minutes to an hour. Okay, so here I put together. We have the soy sauce, oyster sauce, these are mustard, honey, and some white vinegar. Alright, and we also have some garlic in there, chopped up garlic, and white onion in there. So we'll go ahead and marinate this good tri-tip. Okay, so here go our seasoning right here. We have 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, salt and pepper blend. We have 2 tablespoons. And our steak seasoning, we have 1 tablespoon. So we go ahead and dump it in our little marinade and let the bad boy season. And I'll see you when it's cooking time. Alright, so we got an hour and a half of marinade. I want a little longer than just an hour, like 45 minutes. So we got an hour and a half. That's how we looking. Alright, so I have me some vegetable oil in here. That's really what I use. That's some extra virgin olive oil. But I'm using vegetable oil. I got like 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. And we'll get this tri-tip a nice little cook on this side. So we'll give it like, let's say, 10 minutes on this side. And then we'll flip it over and get the other side. So that's gonna be the skin side down. We'll get that like 15 minutes. Alright, so now we're gonna flip it over. So we'll get this side 15 minutes. That's the first side down. All right, so that's how we looking. Now remember, all that down there straight to the Dutch oven is all flavor. All that is gonna come together. So here our marinade. We'll add some water to it. 1 cup of water. I have some cooking baking soda, some cornstarch, and I have 1 tablespoon of each right here. We're gonna take a fork. We're gonna mix this in real good. We'll add another cup of water to it, and it's going in here. Okay, so I have my oven preheated, 400. And boom, there we go right here. All right, it's going in the oven for at least 2 to 3 hours. We're gonna make this tri-tip nice and tender. And don't forget, hit that like button, hit that thumbs up. That's the way my channel will grow. I need more thumbs up, y'all. And I appreciate the support in a real way, for real. Alright, there we go right there. That's that delicious tri-tip right there. Look at it, nice and tender. 3.5 hours. Yeah. An hour with the top off. Now we want this bad boy to rest for 15 minutes, and then we're gonna see how tender it is. Okay, I let it rest for 15 minutes. That's how we looking. I gotta, excuse me, I have no gloves right now. I'm take that like that there. That bad boy hot. But look at that, nice and tender. Melt in your mouth, not in your hand. It kind of like melted in my hand also. Keep it real with you. But that's nice and tender. Look at that. Come on now. And it's juicy. Look. I made it happen again in this good kitchen. So now it's time to put this good food on a nice plate. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. That's the only way my channel is going to grow. Hit that like button. I appreciate it. Alright, so here we go, right here. Back at it again. Look at the mashed potatoes. Come on now. Man, the mashed potatoes look fire. No cheese added, nothing. Nothing at all. Straight mashed potatoes. Boom, the package. Can't beat it. But look at that tri-tip. A delicious roast. Nice and tender. Juicy. Made it happen right here in that good kitchen. And like I said, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. Well, now I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget to hit that bell notification, like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit nice.